Today's drone pilot survival tip is keep tools that will allow you to change and or patch your tire. I was able to identify that I had a leak in my tire, so I took the tire off. I had a bent screw that had lodged itself into the tire, so I had to remove that with some pliers and vice grips, and then put it all together. Now, I'm not going to go step by step through how to change a tire and all that, but you can definitely Google how to change or how to patch a tire, and you'll come up with a lot of good search results. So the key is being resourceful and planning ahead. There's plenty of resources that you can find online about where's the best portable air compressor and where you can get tools and all that kind of stuff. I'm not here to go into that. You Google around and you figure out what you want, what's the best based on your research, and then you go after it. And then hopefully you never end up in a dire situation or stuck in the middle of nowhere with no help.